Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will solve linear equations by transposing method. So if we have to solve this equation, we'll use transposing method. What is transposing method? In transposing method, what we do? We take constants on one side and variables on one side. In this example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 8. What we'll do, we'll take 3, which is a constant term, to right hand side with 8. 2x is equal to. Here, what we'll do, we'll change the sign of 3 from positive to negative. Whenever we transpose, we separate variables and constants. When we take them from left hand side to right hand side, we change its sign. It will become negative 3. So 2x will be equal to 5. Now, dividing both sides by 2. Why we are dividing both sides by 2? Because coefficient of variable in left hand side is 2. So 2x upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2. So x is equal to 5 upon 2. So this will be the answer of this linear equation. Now you can check it by putting value of x in this equation. How will check? This is checking part. Taking left hand side, 2x plus 3. Putting x is equal to 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 plus 3. You will cancel this 2. We get 5 plus 3. That is equal to 8, which is equal to right hand side. So this shows that our answer is correct. So we'll take one more example, that is 4m plus 3 is equal to 18. In this, we see that 4 is outside the bracket of this whole one term. So we'll divide both sides by 4 first. Dividing both sides by 4, we get 4 upon 4 is equal to 18 upon 4. This will be equal to m plus 3 is equal to 9 by 2. Bringing it to the simplest form. Now we'll transpose 3 from this side to this side. So m is equal to 9 by 2. What we'll do? We'll change the sign of 3 from plus to minus. Minus 3. That is 9 by 2 minus 6 by 2. This is how we subtract two fractions. We'll make them like term and then we'll subtract them. It will be 3 by 2. So value of m will be m is equal to 3 by 2. This will be the answer. You can check it by putting this value in this equation. How will check? Here we'll do checking part. We'll put it in left hand side, that is m, directly we'll put value plus 3. Again we'll do it according to fractions. This will be 9 by 2. We'll open bracket, 4 into 9 by 2. It will be 2, 18. So we got right hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our answer is correct. This is how we have done two questions. You can have a look on it. Thanks for watching. For any queries, you can contact me on Instagram. Its link is in the description.